Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Katie and I do quick videos every single week on all things skincare. So if you're a skincare fanatic like me, then please hit the subscribe button down below. It really does mean the world to have you with me. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the LUX Skin LED Rejuvenation Wand. I've been using this for the last 3 weeks and I have to say I'm super impressed. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So I purchased this about 3 weeks ago. I've been using it 3 times a week and I paid £29 for this product. I'm super impressed not only with the price but the results, and I'm going to be showing you my results a little bit later on. So LUX Skin are a Australian skincare brand and I saw an advert popped up on Facebook or Instagram, so I clicked on it, and when I saw the price I was really interested. Kind of thought, well, £29 is a fair amount of money. I just hoped that it would work because there's so many other brands on the market that are like £150 right up to a few £100. This is a light therapy wand. It has 5 settings in terms of the light, and I will go through what each of the settings do. This is what it looks like, and it comes on a little stand with a little point there to charge it. It's very light and very smooth and sleek. Actually, it's really comfortable to hold, which is important because you're doing it 3 times a week for 10 minutes. So you charge it up straight away, and as you can see the box arrived, and so this is what you get. You get the LED wand, the holder and the charger, and then you get your little user manual here, okay, which I'll go through in a minute. But on opening it, I was super impressed with just the packaging and how it felt. It didn't feel like, it didn't feel cheap. So the light therapy is used to treat a variety of skin issues such as acne, wrinkles and hyperpigmentation. The wand combines 3 technologies: radio frequency energy, high frequency massage and light therapy. So the 4 plates here, they release warmth and microcurrents, and this helps to increase blood circulation and absorption of the serum.
How does microcurrent work? Small pulses of electricity penetrate deep into skin, working at a cellular level to enhance blood circulation in and around skin cells and facial muscles.
Now, when you use this, if you buy this, you must make sure that you use a water-based serum or moisturizer, and I'm going to give you a few examples of what you can buy. It won't work with normal oils or moisturizers, unfortunately, so you do just have to make sure that your serum is a water-based one. On Trustpilot UK, this scored 3.9 out of 5, so really good reviews. I didn't even look on Trustpilot when I bought this. I went straight ahead and got this. So I got the microdermabrasion device as well. Once I get that, I will use that and give it a review. You switch it on and you choose your colour, your light therapy. Red is the one that I use, and that is to treat wrinkles. You've got green light is for dark spots, discoloured skin, and it basically works to prohibit the overproduction of melanin. Blue light is to treat acne. The yellow light is to brighten skin and dark areas, and pink is to use to whiten skin. So then you go on to the power once you've chosen. So I use the red, and if you click on the power just here, so that is the lowest setting, and just here you've got like a little graph. So that's 1, then you 2, 3, 4 and 5, and that's the highest setting just there, if you can see the graph. Now I'm going to show you it in action. So this is the first time that I used it, and as you can see, you get your serum, you squeeze a good amount of serum and you apply that to your face, and you use your wand slowly from bottom to the top of your face from inside out, gently massaging your face with the device for 10 minutes 3 times a week. And you can use it on your neck, which I also do as well. So the first time I used it, I saw results straight away. As you can see, my skin looks like it's just glowing and radiant. It's quite red. There is some heat from this, but it's not uncomfortable at all, and that part of it is actually quite nice. Sometimes when I'm using the wand, I can feel some tingles, but that's just normal, and it doesn't hurt. So 3 times a week I've been using this now for 3 weeks, and my skin has really improved. I found that the lines are getting less apparent, and it just feels like my skin has had a good workout from the massaging, and it just looks a lot more radiant. I am super impressed with it, and for £29 it makes an excellent Christmas present. LUX Skin, if you go to their website, this is £29, but if you spend £40 you get a free microdermabrasion kit, which is £30. So that's really good. I bought the wand and the microdermabrasion, and I paid £49 for that. I'm going to show you some examples of water-based serums. I only include this because I was struggling, and luckily I already had the ByTerry Hydra Eclat Serum, so you can purchase that if you're looking for a good serum. It is very good, it's very light, it's not tacky, it really is hydrating, and that's the thing with water-based products, they're there to replenish loss of water. VICHY Aqualia Thermal Rehydration Serum is £25. However, at the moment, if you buy it from Boots, they've got 25% off for Black Friday. And the other one is Indeed Labs Hydraluron Moisture Boosting Facial Serum. That's £20 at 83. However, if you're new to Look Fantastic and you sign up to their emails, you get 20% off straight away, your first purchase. And then also you'll be signed up for the Black Friday deals, which I imagine will be at least 20% from Look Fantastic. So that's a really good buy, and I'm thinking once I've run out of my ByTerry, I might try that brand because I've heard lots of good reviews about that. My personal opinion, I prefer the serum, but you just need to make sure that your moisturizer is water-based as well. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Please let me know if you have used any of the LUX Skin range, because I do think they're really good quality and extremely good value. So yeah, let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you on the next This Mummy Knows.